Hola clase. So in this video, I will be reviewing the verb jugar and all of its conjugations. After you watch this video, I want you to go to the Duolingo podcast that I posted on your class page. And while you listen to that video, I want you to record the words that you know, the Spanish words that you're familiar with, along with their English translations, okay? And I want you to record that on a Google Doc. I also posted a Google Doc as part of that assignment, so record it on there. Okay, so jugar means to play. Jugar means to play. And the conjugations of jugar are yo juego, tú juegas, él, ella, usted juega, nosotros or nosotras jugamos, and ellos, ellas, ustedes juegan. Now the thing that's important to notice about jugar is that the U changes to a UE in all of them except for nosotros. So J-U-E, 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 but then when we get to nosotros, it's just J-U. And there's my cat. Okay, stay. No. Okay, I'll leave that in there for entertainment. So when we get to the U, the nosotros form, it's just jugamos. Okay, it doesn't change. Nosotros jugamos. All right? So, those are the conjugations. Jugar is considered a stem-changing verb because the stem of the verb, meaning the very first part of the verb before you get to the AR, ER, or IR ending, stem-changing verbs, they'll change a letter. And that letter changes into UE in this case. So the U becomes a UE. All right? So now it's not always going to say nosotros. All right? Sometimes it might be Roberto y yo. Roberto y yo jugamos. So Roberto y yo means Roberto and I. Roberto and I. That's the same thing as saying we. If you said Robert and I are going to the store, it's the same thing as saying we are going to the store. So if you ever see something like someone's name and then afterwards it says y yo, that means that you use the we conjugation of whatever verb comes next. Okay? So I think it's pretty self-explanatory for the rest of this. The endings are typical AR endings, o, as, a, amos, an. The only thing I really want to point out is that for everything except for the nosotros, the U becomes a UE. We call this a U to UE stem change verb. And so, juego, juegas, juega, and juegan. All right, go ahead and move on to the podcast. And while you're listening to the podcast, make sure you open the document so that you can record the words in Spanish and English. All right?